Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I rarely post. I have not done anything today. I got a dog. He's like 60 pounds. He's in my arms. He's going back on the ground now. We're gonna make his food. This is his, this is Zippy's. Zippy does have way less, trust me. But we're getting the dogs to try some turkey and venison. I think they've had turkey before. Zeus has had venison. Zeus ate Bambi. Zeus ate and found Bambi. We also have some duck treats. This guy's killed the duck. Charles. He has not. He's had these treats. He just did, but like for his treats, he's never eaten duck. So we're gonna try this. It's cute. Get back! Back! Sonny! That is dog food. What are you looking for? Have you checked under the sink?
Yep.
So, Zippy's just gonna get a decent amount of this. Just like in his bowl. I think that should be good. Charles is also going to. And then the rest we'll give to Apollo and Zeus. Where's Zippy?
The day before. We have no toilet paper. This was her last toilet too.
Well, my reminder. I also don't have pop to drink. Or Gatorade. My drinking a Gatorade a day thing is a little messed up. I got no Gatorade. I'm just gonna try to mix this in. I know Charles is gonna eat all his food anyway, but. Alright, now water. You want enough the water, so I'm gonna grab the capital plate. This is my kitchen. It is a mess. I've been gone for a while, anyways. Generally, I help my mom clean. Generally not the kitchen.
Where does mom go?
Outside. When I say I help clean, I sweep them up. And sometimes do other things. Occasionally I'll clean up the kitchen. I also like just spray disinfectant on everything. We're gonna add some wilderness trail trees. Zippy's gonna get one. Charles is gonna get two. Zippy's also gonna get something else. We are going to try these Master Paws dental chews. There's 5 of these, and they're for dogs. That's 25 pounds, 15 through 25 pounds. Zippy's 14, maybe not that. If it would open. Okay, got it, I think. I know. So now I gotta get scissors. The thing is right there. This should be open, but it's not. What? Wow, okay. I swear treat bags hate me. Hope this closes now. Okay, I got it. What do these look like? They smell. How many does it take in per day? Feed one. Got it. You're gonna leave that alone. I'm gonna take these to their crates. Let's go. There's a hand jar of food. Let me get that. Okay, it's gone. Alright, Carl. I'm not sure you should be up there. Where are your plates? Beep beep. So I washed our plates last night. They're not that dirty right now. Got a little on them, but they're cats, they'll be fine. Carl, no one wants to see your butt. So I got these IAM's perfect portions chicken recipe. Get your little butt down. These are not pate. These, oh, it does say cuts and gravy. There we go. Give it a little smash. And then because portions are generally pretty low in calories, I do need to get some more calories in these cats' diets. I also have some Fancy Feast broths. They have little clearance stickers on them because Tractor Supply's had them on clearance for months. I'm not going to Aspire until March, and in March, Tractor Supply will probably have to throw them out. So I'm gonna just like try to split these in half, like as best as I can. Okay, that's like all the actual good stuff in there for that one. Got it. We'll make sure the other thing gets all the good stuff in the other one. So that's the creamy chicken. This one is classic. Come on. Did I not open it enough? It's open enough now. Or is it? Well, there just isn't. Got it. Come on. Oh well. And now for our treats, we've got these Blue Wilderness soft moist chicken and trout recipe. That was not closed. Nice. It's gonna not be soft soon if they keep doing that. How many calories are per treat? Okay, it's like 1.7. So, very fine. Square Blue Dog treats though are high in calories. And it's not time close. Oh well. I separated my dog and cat treats because it's like very bags. So, anyways, now we got the cats fed. We're gonna give these to them, and they're gonna love it. Come on. I gave the one to Carl that looks like it has mom on it. Let me turn on the camera and we'll go watch them. So I'm gonna feed Apollo and Zeus, but that's like less interesting. So we're just gonna sit here and watch this for a few seconds. Watch them eat. I have a can of Nulu I need to try with them too. I'm gonna sneeze. There's a sneeze. You can watch Stormy's butt as she eats. Alright, so as of when I'm filming this, I have a video going up today in a few hours, 5 to be exact. Well, 4 and 54 minutes. But I will put this one up tomorrow at the same time. So, there's Stormy's plate and there's Carl's. Carl likes broth, so he's super happy about it. Stormy likes wet food. Alright, well, enjoy. I'm in the video. Maybe I can post more regularly. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother them too much while they're eating. But he's loving it. I'm just gonna spam the camera.